Have you ever seen a ghost in the machine of nature? Look at this smoke ring. While a normal cloud of smoke vanishes at the slightest breeze, this little donut of mist acts like it has a shield. It's not magic. It's one of the coolest tricks in fluid dynamics. This is a toroidal vortex. When air is pushed quickly through a circular opening, the edges are slowed down by friction while the center keeps zooming forward. This causes the air to curl back on itself, forming a spinning donut shape.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
According to Helmholtz's theorems, these vortices are surprisingly stable structures. Think of a normal puff of smoke like a pedestrian trying to run through a crowd, lots of bumping and slowing down. But a smoke ring? It's like a professional gymnast on a unicycle. Because it's constantly rolling through the air, it minimizes drag. Research from NASA shows that this rotational motion creates a low-pressure zone that sucks the ring forward, shielding it from external wind. It's not just smoke. Dolphins use this to play with bubble rings that stay intact for meters underwater. Volcanoes like Mount Etna even blow giant steam rings that can travel hundreds of feet into the atmosphere. The secret is the momentum trapped inside that spinning loop. It's a self-sustaining engine of motion that defies the chaos around it. Now, don't think your birthday candles are safe. While these rings are tough, they aren't invincible. The wind-defying part comes from the laminar flow. The smoother the ring, the longer it lasts. But once that spin slows down, physics catches up and it turns back into a regular old cloud. It's a beautiful, temporary victory over entropy. Can you think of any other shapes in nature that act like a shield? Nature loves a loop, from the blood in your heart to the rings of a galaxy. If you could blow a ring of anything, what would it be? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more scientific curiosities.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.